Welcome to Motorsports Mania, your hub for all things automotive, from luxury vehicles and performance machines to the latest innovations in car technology. Today, we are taking a close look at the 2026 Mercedes-Benz CLA, a sleek and stylish compact luxury sedan that continues to redefine modern design, performance, and technology in its class. This review will cover everything from its refined exterior to its cutting-edge interior features, performance upgrades, and what makes it a standout option in the premium segment. The 2026 CLA brings an updated design that enhances its coupe-like profile while staying true to the dynamic silhouette that made it a favorite among younger luxury buyers. The refreshed front fascia includes a re-sculpted grille with the new Mercedes pattern design, slimmer LED headlights, and an aggressive bumper that adds a more athletic appearance. The rear end receives subtle tweaks including redesigned taillights and a sleeker lower bumper, giving the CLA a sharper and more aerodynamic look. Inside, the CLA impresses with a cabin that balances sportiness with high-end luxury. High-quality materials are used throughout, including soft-touch surfaces, contrast stitching, and optional wood or aluminum trim. The dual-screen layout remains a central highlight, featuring two 10.25-inch displays for the digital instrument cluster and the infotainment system. The latest MBUX interface is faster, smarter, and more customizable than ever before, supporting natural voice commands and advanced gesture controls for a seamless user experience. The 2026 CLA is available in several trims including the CLA250, CLA254 MATIC, and the more performance-focused AMG CLA35 and CLA45 models. The CLA250 comes powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine producing 221 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque, delivering a solid balance between efficiency and responsive performance. The CLA254 MATIC adds all-wheel drive for improved traction and handling in various road conditions. For those looking for more thrills, the AMG CLA35 delivers 302 horsepower, while the top-tier AMG CLA45 boasts an impressive 416 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful cars in its class. All engine options are paired with a smooth shifting 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission that enhances acceleration and fuel economy. The ride quality is composed and refined, with adaptive suspension available on higher trims for a more tailored driving experience. Steering is precise and responsive, contributing to the CLA's overall sporty character. Fuel efficiency is another strong point for the CLA. The standard front-wheel drive CLA250 achieves competitive MPG ratings, making it an attractive option for daily commuting without sacrificing luxury or performance. The addition of mild hybrid technology in some variants helps optimize fuel usage and reduce emissions, aligning with Mercedes-Benz's commitment to sustainability. Technology is a major highlight in the 2026 CLA, with the latest version of MBUX offering improved artificial intelligence for voice assistance, updated navigation with augmented reality, and expanded connectivity features including over-the-air updates. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, along with multiple USB-C ports and wireless charging to keep devices powered and connected on the go. Safety is a top priority with Mercedes-Benz, and the CLA includes a wide array of standard and optional safety features. These include automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a surround view camera system. The semi-autonomous driving features enhance peace of mind during long highway drives and in urban traffic. Another important upgrade for the 2026 model is the expanded range of customization options, allowing buyers to choose from new exterior colors, wheel designs, and interior themes. Mercedes has also improved the sound insulation for a quieter cabin, reinforcing the luxury experience the CLA is known for. Overall, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz CLA combines striking design, modern technology, engaging performance, and high-quality craftsmanship into a package that appeals to a wide range of drivers. Whether you're looking for a stylish commuter car or an entry point into the luxury performance world, the CLA continues to be a strong contender in the segment. If you enjoyed this video and want more detailed reviews and updates from the automotive world, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned to Motorsports Mania for more exciting content and expert car insights.